The Stargazer. Once in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya had always been fascinated by the stars that adorned the night sky, shimmering like diamonds. Every clear evening, she would climb to the highest point in the village and gaze up at the vast expanse above her. With eyes filled with wonder, she dreamed of reaching the stars one day. One night, as Maya gazed at the sky, a shooting star streaked across the darkness. "I wish I could fly up to the stars and explore the mysteries of the universe," she whispered to herself. To her astonishment, a soft voice responded, "You can, Maya." Startled, she looked around but found no one. The voice seemed to be coming from the stars themselves. "I am Celestia, the Star Queen," the voice said. "Your pure heart and unwavering curiosity have caught my attention. I shall grant you the ability to fly to the stars." Suddenly, Maya felt light as a feather. She rose from the ground, soaring towards the heavens. With every passing moment, the village below became smaller, and the stars grew brighter. As she reached the stars, she found herself in a magical realm where each star was a tiny world of its own. They twinkled with joy at her arrival, welcoming her with warmth. Celestia appeared before Maya, her radiant presence filling the sky. "You are now a stargazer," she said. "You can explore the wonders of the universe, learn its secrets, and carry its beauty in your heart." Overwhelmed with happiness, Maya explored the starry worlds, each one unique and breathtaking. She met friendly star beings and listened to their stories. They shared wisdom about the cosmos, the galaxies, and the harmony of the universe. Time passed quickly in the starry realm, and soon Maya realized that it was time to return to her village. With a heavy heart, she bid farewell to Celestia and the star beings. As she descended to the village, she wondered if it had all been a dream. But she felt different, as if a part of the stars now resided within her. The next morning, Maya woke up with newfound confidence and knowledge. She eagerly shared her incredible adventure with the villagers, igniting their curiosity about the universe. From that day on, Maya became the village's guide to the stars. Every night, she led stargazing sessions, sharing the wonders of the cosmos with young and old alike. Maya's passion for the stars brought the village closer together. Families would gather at night, pointing to constellations and sharing stories of the cosmos. And so, Maya's dream of exploring the stars had come true. Though she no longer had the ability to fly among them, she carried the wisdom and beauty of the stars in her heart, forever enlightening the lives of those around her. The end.